Unlocking Success with Success Today by Brian Tracy and Richard Tyler. About the book and authors. Success Today is a collaborative work featuring insights from renowned success experts, including Brian Tracy and Richard Tyler. Brian Tracy is an internationally acclaimed speaker and author, known for his expertise in personal development and leadership. Richard Tyler is a respected business consultant and author, recognized for his contributions to sales excellence and leadership strategies. Together, they offer practical advice and proven strategies to help individuals achieve success in various aspects of life. Introduction to the book. In today's fast-paced world, achieving success requires more than just hard work. It demands strategic thinking, effective planning, and continuous self-improvement. Success Today serves as a comprehensive guide, providing readers with actionable steps to enhance their personal and professional lives. The book emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals, developing positive habits, and maintaining a growth mindset. 1. Defining success. Success means different things to different people. For some, it's about financial stability. For others, it's about personal fulfillment or making a positive impact. This chapter encourages readers to reflect on their own definitions of success and align their actions accordingly. By understanding what success truly means to you, you can set meaningful goals and pursue them with purpose. 2. Goal setting and planning. Setting clear, achievable goals is a cornerstone of success. This chapter outlines the importance of writing down your goals, breaking them into manageable steps, and creating a timeline for achievement. It also emphasizes the need for flexibility, allowing you to adapt your plans as circumstances change. 3. Developing positive habits. Habits shape our daily lives and, ultimately, our success. This chapter explores the process of building positive habits and eliminating negative ones. It provides practical tips for habit formation, such as starting small, staying consistent, and rewarding progress. By cultivating habits that align with your goals, you can create a foundation for long-term success. 4. Mindset and attitude. A positive mindset is crucial for overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities. This chapter discusses the power of optimism, resilience, and self-belief. It encourages readers to view setbacks as learning experiences and to maintain a proactive attitude in the face of adversity. By fostering a growth mindset, you can navigate obstacles and continue progressing toward your goals. 5. Effective communication. Effective communication is a cornerstone of personal and professional success. In this chapter, the authors emphasize the importance of clear and concise communication in building relationships, leading teams, and achieving goals. They provide strategies for active listening, articulating thoughts effectively, and adapting communication styles to different audiences. By mastering these skills, individuals can foster trust, resolve conflicts, and inspire others. 6th. Time management. Time is a finite resource, and managing it wisely is crucial for success. This chapter offers practical techniques for prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and avoiding procrastination. The authors discuss the significance of focusing on high-impact activities and delegating when appropriate. By implementing these time management strategies, readers can enhance productivity and reduce stress. 7. Continuous learning and adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to learn and adapt is vital. The authors encourage readers to embrace lifelong learning by seeking new knowledge, skills, and experiences. They highlight the importance of staying current with industry trends and being open to change. By cultivating a growth mindset, individuals can remain competitive and resilient in the face of challenges. 8. Leadership and influence. Leadership extends beyond formal titles. It's about influencing others positively. This chapter explores the qualities of effective leaders, such as integrity, empathy, and vision. The authors provide insights into motivating teams, making informed decisions, and leading by example. They emphasize that leadership is a skill that can be developed through self-awareness and intentional practice. Conclusion: integrating success principles. Success Today offers a comprehensive roadmap for achieving personal and professional excellence. By applying the principles of effective communication, time management, continuous learning, and leadership, individuals can navigate their paths to success with confidence. The book serves as a valuable resource for anyone seeking to enhance their performance and make meaningful contributions in their endeavors. Key takeaways from Success Today. Define your success. Understand what success means to you personally and align your goals accordingly. Set clear goals. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to guide your actions. Develop positive habits. Cultivate routines that support your objectives and replace detrimental habits with constructive ones. Embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, maintaining resilience in the face of setbacks. Communicate effectively. Enhance your interpersonal skills to build strong relationships and influence others positively. Manage time. Wisely. Prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and focus on activities that yield the greatest results. Commit to lifelong learning. Stay curious and open to new experiences to adapt and thrive in changing environments. Lead with integrity. Demonstrate ethical behavior, empathy, and vision to inspire and guide others. By integrating these principles into your daily life, you can create a solid foundation for sustained success and fulfillment.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!